thunderstorm warning for Central Lawrence County in upstate South Carolina,
Oh,
southeastern
wow.
Spartanburg County in upstate South Carolina, west central Union County in upstate South Carolina, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles north of Lawrence, or 5 miles east of Gray Court, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Source, locations impacted include Lawrence, Cross Keys, Cross Anchor, Emory, Aura, Gray Court, and Woodruff. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Earlier, I already got an
Report
FFW.
damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-877-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina: Lawrence, Spartanburg, and Union.